Hi, this is Neil of Team Teacher, teaching, living and raising a family in China. Today, we're looking at the Pokemon English PPT bomb game, version 2. Let's check it out. So the Pokemon English version 2 PowerPoint game is made by Bright06 of the Waygoot forum, and we'll put a link in the comment section below the video for you to get your free downloadable PPT copy. The home screen is a lot of Pokeballs with letters on. You have to choose one of the letters to go to a question.
Pikachu.
If they answer it incorrectly, click on the X. If the student answers correctly, click on the Pokeball to go to the next screen. Students will receive some points or a special event based on whatever Pokemon that there is there. To return back to the home screen, click on the text in the bottom right hand corner. There are special events like this where the students have to choose which Pokeball that they want. It could lead to a super special Pokemon with high points.
The time has come to shatter this clockwork universe forever. Let us no longer be slaves of the hourglass. I warn you, those who do not embrace this greater path shall become victims of its passive action.
Well, I hope you enjoyed this PPT walkthrough of the Pokemon version 2 bomb game. If you would like a copy of this, remember to go to our website or to the links below, and feel free to subscribe to our channel. Bye bye.